Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to crop a Strava activity. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the Strava app, and you will land on the home screen. From there, just go ahead and go to the U option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, from the menu, just go ahead and go to your activities, and now select the activities where you want to crop. So let's go ahead and select it by just clicking on it just like so. And once that you have done that, just go ahead and click on the three dot at the top right corner and choose to crop activity. Now, so basically this is my activity that I want to crop, and the green slider is for start time and the check mark is for the end. So you can just drag it just like so and crop your activity in Strava easily. And once you are happy with how it looks, just go ahead and click on Save and click on Crop. And now that's how you crop a Strava activity, and that's it. We just learned how to crop a Strava activity by opening the activity using the three-dot menu and adjusting the start or end points. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.